Ksamil, Europe's hidden beach paradise. Have you ever dreamt of discovering a hidden paradise that rivals the beauty of Thailand's shores and the iconic beaches of the Caribbean? Welcome to Ksamil, the hidden gem of the Albanian Riviera. Nestled along the crystal-clear turquoise waters of the Ionian Sea, Ksamil boasts a mesmerizing blend of natural beauty and tranquility. The soft white sands and picturesque landscapes create an enchanting oasis that is truly a sight to behold. Unlike the crowded beaches of popular tourist destinations, Ksamil offers a sense of seclusion and serenity that is rare to find in today's world. Whether you're looking to unwind on the beach or explore the hidden coves and caves along the coastline, Ksamil has something for every type of traveler. For the adventure seekers, Ksamil is a playground waiting to be explored. Dive into the crystal-clear waters for a snorkeling adventure, paddleboard along the coastline, or embark on a boat tour to discover the hidden treasures of the Ionian Sea. The possibilities are endless in this pristine paradise. And let's not forget about the breathtaking sunsets that paint the sky in hues of orange, pink, and purple. Watching the sun sink below the horizon is a magical experience that will leave you in awe of Ksamil's natural beauty.
Ksamil, located along the stunning Albanian Riviera, is indeed a hidden gem. Its crystal-clear turquoise waters, soft white sands, and tranquil atmosphere make it a perfect escape from the more crowded tourist destinations. Have you been to Ksamil, or are you planning a trip there? Ksamil offers a variety of attractions that cater to different interests. Here are some highlights. Beaches. Ksamil is renowned for its stunning beaches with crystal-clear waters and soft white sands. Some of the most popular ones include Lori Beach and Ohana Beach Bar. Ksamil Islands. Just off the coast, these small islands are perfect for a day trip. You can rent a boat or kayak to explore the islands and enjoy the secluded beaches. Butrint National Park. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, this park is home to ancient ruins and diverse wildlife. It's a great spot for history enthusiasts and nature lovers alike. Blue Eye Spring. Known locally as Siri Eye Culture, this natural spring is famous for its mesmerizing blue waters. It's a popular spot for swimming and photography. Monastery Beach. This secluded beach is located near the Monastery of St. George, offering stunning views over the Ionian Sea. Water sports. From paddleboarding to snorkeling, there are plenty of water activities to enjoy in Ksamil. Local cuisine. Don't miss out on the ultra-fresh seafood available at local restaurants. It's a great way to experience the local culture and flavors. Have you decided which attractions you'd like to visit first? Butrint National Park is a fascinating destination that combines rich history with stunning natural beauty. Here are some key highlights. Historical significance. Butrint is one of Albania's most important archaeological sites, with ruins dating back to the Iron Age. The park includes remnants from various periods, including Greek, Roman, Byzantine, and Venetian. UNESCO World Heritage Site. The park was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1992 due to its cultural and historical importance. Diverse ecosystems. The park covers over 94 square kilometers and includes freshwater lakes, wetlands, salt marshes, open plains, reed beds, and islands. This diversity supports a wide range of flora and fauna. Key attractions. Ancient ruins. Explore the city walls, a Roman theater, a great basilica, and 2 castles. Lake Butrint. This lake is an important bird and plant area, making it a great spot for birdwatching. Vivari Channel. This natural channel connects Lake Butrint to the Ionian Sea and is surrounded by beautiful landscapes. Natural beauty. The park's location near the Ionian Sea provides a mild Mediterranean climate with hot, dry summers and mild winters. Accessibility. Butrint is located about 18 kilometers south of Sarand, making it easily accessible for visitors. Whether you're a history buff, nature lover, or just looking for a serene place to explore, Butrint National Park offers something for everyone. The best time to visit Ksamil and Butrint National Park is during the late spring to early autumn months, specifically from May to September. Here's why. Weather. During this period, the weather is warm and sunny, perfect for beach activities and exploring the park. Temperatures typically range from 25 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius, 77 degrees Fahrenheit to 86 degrees Fahrenheit. Sea conditions. The sea is warm and calm, ideal for swimming, snorkeling, and other water sports. Tourist season. While July and August are the peak tourist months, visiting in May, June, or September can offer a more relaxed experience with fewer crowds. Events and festivals. Summer months often feature local festivals and events, providing a great opportunity to experience Albanian culture. Nature. Spring and early summer are particularly beautiful, with lush greenery and blooming flowers enhancing the natural beauty of the area.
After a day of exploration, indulge in the local cuisine and immerse yourself in the warm hospitality of the Albanian people. From fresh seafood dishes to traditional delicacies, the culinary scene in Ksamil is a true reflection of the region's rich culture and history. So, if you're seeking a hidden paradise that rivals the beauty of Thailand's shores and the Caribbean's iconic beaches, look no further than Ksamil. Discover the pristine beauty, tranquility, and charm of this European gem and create memories that will last a lifetime. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel inspiration and adventure. Until next time, happy exploring!